Yeah. Hi, good morning. Good morning, all. So yesterday completed approvals, right? Sales order approvals, but it's not mandatory, right? Before, without approvals, we completed cycle. So then yesterday only enabled approvals. I'll do one thing. Today I'll disable those approvals. It is not required for each and every order. Mhm. Where is that? Okay. Sorry. Here, those no need to, yeah, somebody already inactivated. Yeah. And also let me check in OM parameters also. So, but still here it is yes. This one also I'm enabling no. So now approvals disabled. So next, let's continue another cycle. Bill only. So what is the bill only? Once sales order created, submitted, immediately system should generate AR invoice. Okay. There is no picking and shipping. So generally, in which case, when, so this bill only scenario follows. If item is service item, it's not a stockable item, it's not an inventory item, it's a service item. So service item, it's not a where sub-inventory, I'll not maintain the stock, right? There will not be any picking, there will not be any shipping. So that is the reason. So suppose painting is the service. Okay. Paints are physical goods. Yes. Painting is the service. So that you will not pick and ship, right? But paints you will pick and ship it. So for painting, we'll maintain bill only orchestration. Paints will maintain generic orchestration process. And any vehicle maintenance services, machinery maintenance services, installations, all comes under services. Sometimes for physical products also may maintain bill only. Counter sales, right? Suppose if you are buying, you will directly go to some store, supermarket. So there you will enter into that shop. You will yourself pick and ship it, right? So that means you will first pick, you will come to cash counter, you will pay cash, and yourself you will ship it. So here also organization is not involving in picking and shipping, right? In such a case also we use this bill only sales order. Okay. Here also we can customize the orchestration. Only we can maintain um, uh, two steps. So one is um, awaiting ship and awaiting bill. Only two steps. So that we can, and another way we can maintain the attributes. So suppose same orchestration I'll maintain, but for I told you, right, paints. I should follow create sales order, submit sales order, picking, shipping, then invoice. Painting, I'll create sales order, submit sales order, immediately receivable invoice has to create. Same orchestration I'll maintain, but I should follow based on it. When this items will behave like that based on item attribute. So one is you can customize the orchestration. If you customize orchestration for every item, it will follow the same steps. If you disable item attributes, same orchestration I'll follow, but we can maintain different steps. So first, let's see. First, to find one item. Product management, product information management. Manage items. So I'll take this item. AS 00100. So organization 002. Go to specifications. Here, order management. So here, shippable no. That means not required picking and shipping. Okay. So item attribute. So here we will follow same orchestration, but not required picking and shipping. Why? Because this controlling at attribute level, not at orchestration level. Now create sales order with this item. Order management. Oh, sorry. See, after selecting the customer, if you select business unit, that will freeze it. But if better, you follow this way. First, you select business unit. This will be in enable mode. By mistake, if you select any other business unit also, you will be able to change it. One after selecting customer, if you select business unit, it will be in grayed out. See, now it will grayed out. Okay. Item. Yes, 00100. Okay. Some quantity I'm selecting, two quantity. You just ignore it is in stock. I just shown you attribute. It's not shippable, non-shippable item. This one. So you need not to select this one shipping method also. Why? Because no picking, no shipping. So that is the reason no need to select shipping method. Save, submit. Now see what happened. So I am expecting here line level awaiting billing directly. It should not show awaiting shipping. If you find awaiting shipping status, what does that mean? You must pick it and ship it. So if I want to generate directly invoice, when I submit, line status should be awaiting billing. Refresh. Also, if you want, you can test which check which orchestration defaulted. See here, same orchestration. Name of the orchestration is same. Okay. See now, enabling everything automatically. Refresh. See here, not applicable, not applicable, not applicable, not applicable. Why? Because it's not a shippable item. It's not an inventory item. So here now status got awaiting billing. You got it right, difference. See, awaiting billing. So all the steps skipped. So directly it is waiting for creating invoice. Now let me log in with financial user. You take pin underscore IMPL or Casibon, anything. Tools, schedule process. Import auto invoices. Yes, one business unit. Transaction source, so distributed order orchestration. Here, sales order number, you can select optionally. Submit. Okay. Then you can find invoice. Receivables, billing. Manage transactions. Reference number, sales order number, transaction source, distributed order orchestration, such. Invoices created. See, for two quantity. You got it, right? What is the bill only sales order? I'll create order, I'll submit order, immediately system will generate invoice. No picking, no shipping. This is what bill only. And one more thing, one more question. So will you find created invoice details in sales order form? Yes, you can find. So once invoice is created, you will get a status closed for any order, not only bill only. For any order, once invoice is created, you will get a status closed. Then where you will find invoice details? Go to switch to fulfillment view. Under this, click on actions, view fulfillment details. Under billing, you will find this is the invoice number. Created invoice details. Okay.
So once created, is it possible to update the sales order?
Yeah. See, when status is in closed, you cannot update this line. But if you want, you can add a new line. So how will you add it new line? Yesterday, I shown you, right? Here, go to actions, create revision. But closed line, you cannot update.
It will comes under the same sales order, but it will create a new invoice,
And
right?
you can create new line, AS0010 with the same item or different item you can create.
And that one also same bill only sales order, or we can follow the another one.
Different item selected, right? This for this it will follow the different orchestration. So it will follow different orchestration, not different orchestration. Orchestration will be same, but you need to perform all this shipping execution steps.
But it will comes under the same sales order number, right?
Same sales order number. Yes, that is correct. That is what I told you, right? Following same orchestration, but different steps, how it is following based on item attributes, item attributes.
Attribute level, we need to shippable. No, sorry, yes.
So shippable, yes, that will follow picking and shipping. Shippable, no, directly it will create invoice.
Based on the item attribute, we are following.
Now, so suppose irrespective of item, if I select bill only orchestration, it should follow create order, submit order, generate invoice. In this case, what you have to do? You have to configure the bill only orchestration, only the two steps. Both options we can use it. That depends on business requirement. Which one? Since I'll tell you. Item product is same. When customer come to my store, he pick and ship it himself. I should follow bill only. When customer ordered online, same product, I will pick, I'll ship to customer. Item is same, but I should follow two orchestrations, two different orchestration. So here you should not enable, that means it will not follow attribute level configuration. It will follow which orchestration defaulted that it will follow. You got it here, point?
Yes. For example, if the customer ordered 100 quantity, 50 quantity for bill only, and I mean he will come and purchase the items from our store, and
Mm.
50 quantity can we send through online or like a shippable company.
That is good. Yes, that is possible.
Same
See,
product,
suppose,
total
yes.
half quantity bill only and half quantity remaining process.
Uh, that
Two
how
or
customer wanted to buy it. So based on that, you need to maintain selection of that orchestration. We have to select it. See what I'll do in real time. See, suppose at your home. So you will go to directly supermarket yourself, pick and ship it. So what kind of order type this is? You tell me.
like
It is
bill
not
only.
for sales, right? It is bill only. But you will open your laptop or mobile, you will order online. So that shop people will take the order, they will pick it, they will ship it, and they will generate the bill and they will send it to you. This is what type of order?
General standard
Standard
order.
sales. So product is same, but we are following two different orchestration steps.
I'm asking for same line, two different orchestrations. We can we follow?
Same line we cannot.
Okay,
Same
same
line.
line we can.
Hmm. See, that 100 quantity, you can split it. One line it has to follow bill only. Another line it has to follow standard sales order.
That only I'm asking. Like splitting is possible for the same line.
Splitting possible, yes. Here, see, go to first, switch to fulfillment view, go to actions, split fulfillment line. So this one you can select uh, 0.5. So here this is option is available, splitting line. Quantity, you can maybe this is not allowing to splitting in decimals, but this is the way you can try.
Okay.
So it is failed. Reason is what? It is scheduled. Here only it is stopped. Reason is stock is not available, out of stock. So reservations failed. Wasn't created because the reservation quantity is more than the available to reserve. So stock is not available because of it is failed. Okay. So yeah. Next what? Next, what is the order type? Ship only order type. What is the ship only? See, suppose sample items. I'll ship to customer. Will you send bill to customer along with the sample items? No, right? I will not send any bill. Why? Because I'm giving this product or I'm shipping those products with free of cost, with free of price, and some campaigning items. I will, there also I will ship it, but I will not charge for that. So some what campaigning products, right? Promotional products like boards, signboards, vinyls, some stickers. So all this I'll send it to customer, but I'll not send any bill, and also some sample products. For that also, I'll not send any bill. In such a case, we use this create SIP only order. For SIP only order, what are the steps we should follow? Create sales order, submit sales order, release to warehouse, quick release, ship confirm. But here only it will stop it. It will not send data to receivables. So for this also, you can create a separate orchestration, maintain separate steps for this, but also I can maintain based on item attributes. The item attributes, it will stop it. So let's see. Supply chain execution, inventory management. Double zero two. I'm just checking stock for AS1, AS 00100. Any stock is available. 10 stock is available. Okay. Now I'll update attributes for this item to test SIP only. Double zero one double zero. Here, inventory, this is fine. Attributes, inventory item stocked, and under order management, shippable it is no, right? If it is no, it will follow bill only. So it is in grayed out. So this attribute controlling at master level. So what should I do? I should open this item in master organization. So triple zero is my master organization, right? So orchestration steps, attribute level also we can control it. This is the one of the way. Shippable, yes. But I wanted to stop creating invoice. No. Save it. Same item, I'm testing bill only, ship only, both by updating attributes. Next what? Go to associations. I am verifying in 002 also attributes. Shippable, yes. Invoice, no. Okay. Uh, Now create sales order. So now shipping method is mandatory, right? Submit. Let's see what will happen. Now I don't want to create invoice. It has to allow for picking and shipping. So now it got awaiting shipping. Now go on pick and ship it. Go to home, supply chain execution, inventory management. Go to picks, new pick wave. So select here organization, order number. Remove the dates. So let it be at a time pick and ship. Release now. Okay. The value of attribute order isn't valued. What is that? Mhm. Order number is not showing. Let's see. Let's verify. Uh, Data is not updated. Mm. I'll check directly in schedule processes. Tools, schedule process. It is submitted. Okay. Second time I was selected, right? Because of that, it was shown some that message. Okay. Now go to order. For order number, search. See, now I've got closed, right? Uh, there is picking and shipping, but no invoice. See here, not applicable. Invoice creation is not applicable. So a step is available, but it is showing not applicable. Reason is we are following same orchestration for all type of items. But when I will not find this step, invoice, even invoice also should not appear here. If item is ship only, it should be scheduled reserve ship. It should not appear. So in that case, you have to customize your orchestration process. Separate orchestration process you define. So now bill only completed, ship only completed. So next what? Dropship order. What is the dropship order? Um, Here, I'll get an order from customer. Then I'll create sales order. I'll submit sales order. But it should not send this sales order details to warehouse. I will send again against this sales order. I'll create purchase requisition, purchase order that I'll send it to my supplier. Also, I'll request to my supplier ship directly stock to my customer. So this shipping uh, will maintain outside of the organization externally. My supplier shipping stock to my customer. So that is what drop ship. Right now, online also. Uh, so one dealer distributor website will book it, right? But that order will ship from some other location to your address. So booking in one address, but shipping will happen from some another address. So that is what dropship sales order. So let's see how this will work in the system. First, I'll update a few attributes required to update. Mm, Go to product management, product information management, manage items, AS00101. First, let me open update directly at organization level. So then order management here, source type. See, it is in grayed out here also. So I should update at master level only. It should be external. See, drop shipped external under purchasing tab, select purchase price. Then save it. Also verify in 002 item attributes. Order management. So it is external. That's fine. Also price. It's okay. Item attribute I enabled. So why? Because it's external shipping. That is the reason I updated source as external. So directly it may not work. Some GOP setups also require sourcing rule and all. Let's try what setups are missing. Okay. Another one is orders. Here, manage dropship financial flow. This is another setup is required. Here, LT underscore dropship flow. So here, once AP invoice match and priority one. So here, not required, directly select here. So here, this is required for only US1 business unit. And receiving organization also I'll select. So it is logically receiving organization actually.
So
So
what is priority? Yeah.
if you maintain multiple flows based on this, it will follow.
Supplier ownership change event. What is that one?
How system will know whether supplier shipped a stock to my customer when received AP invoice from my customer, sorry, my supplier. I will understand, yes, already supplier shipped stock to customer. See, suppose now already you requested to your supplier, ship material to my customer. How will you know your supplier shipped or not stock? See,
I need to receive the notification.
notification, that is fine. One thing is you may call to them or you may get mail from your supplier already so and so stock to so and so customer shipped. But how system will understand? In system, either you create AP invoice in payables or when implemented supplier portal, once supplier created ASN, advance shipment notice, system will understand, yes, this so and so supplier shipped stock to my customer. So this is for what? Updating external shipment details in application. Any questions still?
Okay. Yeah.
So now here, what I selected Atlanta, I said that means what? I will create here receiving, but it is not physical. Right. See, here we request ship material to customer. Customer will receive physical goods. Why this is maintaining logically whatever external shipment created that I will record in the system. So this is the purpose here. Receiving trade organization I selected. It's a trading organization. It's not a trading organization, business organization. But who actually receives customer? So like this, you can select the details. But already it is existed, this setup. So that is the reason. See here, it is already there. You can check. Here they selected ASN. That means once ASN is created, I was selected AP invoice. If you create AP invoice, that's fine. If ASN create also, that also fine, no problem. ASN selected. Not this one. Click on this directly name. See here, US1 business unit. I was selecting Atlanta, but here Chicago selected another organization, 000003. This one. Okay, that's fine. Now let's create a sales order. Let's see what will happen. If fail, then I will verify what setup's missing. Order management. Create order. Yes, one business unit. Customer business world. Item AS 00101. In organization, anyway, stock is not available. Here, go to shipping method. Is that required? Is this mandatory for dropship sales order? No, right? Why? Because my supplier will take care shipping all the activities. So I'll not select, but supply. So supplier will supply, right? Advanced cart, one seeded existed supplier I'm selecting. Supplier site. ACS one. Now submit. Let's see what will happen. The orchestration process. Refresh. Now it is scheduled. Started. So this is my customer, right? My supplier is Advanced Corp. Advanced Corp will ship material directly to my customer. So that is what dropship. See here, dropship details tab added. Okay, supplier, the supplier will ship to this customer. But logically, I'll just record the transaction in my system, Chicago. So here you will find the all the purchase order details, requisition details. See, requisition is created now successfully. Now if any agreements existed against this supplier, PO also will be auto generated automatically. So agreements are not available. It is stopped here. Then I'll create PO manually as a buyer. So now let me log in with Calvin Roth. Calvin Roth is the buyer, right? Okay, go to procurement, purchase orders. Process requisitions. What is the requisition number? 204171. First, let me note down this. So this is the requisition number. So this one, right? 20. This is created for 50 quantity. It is information showing requested goods are to be shipped third party. Third party nothing but my supplier. So now I am creating PO as a buyer. Calvin Roth is the buyer. Is creating purchase order against advanced car. So purchase order, all details, select OK. So you can verify details, selected details, everything fine. Select create. So this the PO is created. Okay. So this one is requisition 204171. 204171. Select OK. Now, how supplier will know what details? Supplier location, sorry, customer location. See here, location name is Business World. So here, supplier will find it. What is the address? Ship to address. Here 500 Oracle PQY Redwood City. So it will send it. Supplier will send it. All right. Then submit for approvals. Yeah, it is automatic approvals are there. It will get approved automatically. But real time may maintain uh, approval rules that system will follow. Okay, submitted. Now go and check status of the order. Enter PO number. Select search. Now it is in pending approval. The status will change to open. So then there are different ways to send this PO to your supplier. One is email. Manually you can download and you can attach and send it, or automatically it will send it PO PDF. If implemented supplier portal module, in supplier portal module also supplier will receive notification. Now it is in open. So I'll just assume, so this PO already send it to supplier. Okay. So here, if communication method email, that will send it email directly to supplier. Supplier, then okay. Already I send it this PO to my supplier. Supplier also shipped stock to my customer. How I will know? One is if implemented supplier portal module, supplier will create directly ASN supplier portal. If not implemented supplier portal, behalf of supplier, I will create ASN advanced shipment notice in inventory module. Other way, once AP invoice is created in payables, so that also system will understand already material shipped. Okay. Now, yes, I got a confirmation from my supplier. See here also, PO details will be updated. See, all the PO details are updated. Now, what I'm going to do, I'll create ASN. And before that, 1 minute, 98468. 98468. Okay. So still it is awaiting shipping, right? Yeah. Then go to inventory, supply chain execution, inventory management. Here, change the organization. Right. Receive trading organization selected 003, Chicago. Now you go to receipts. So I got a shipment number in behalf of my supplier. I'm creating PO number is what this one. Create ASN. Advanced Corp AC underscore ASN1. For how much quantity shipment sent 50 quantity. So this shipment was created in supplier organization. Send the stock to customer. That I got details I am updating in my system. Submit. Okay. Done. Now go to application, order management. The shipment number I created. Okay. Supply orchestration. Let me check in exceptions. Exceptions also not showing anything. Oh. So here line level, see now it is changed, shipped. So now system identified, yes, supplier is already shipped stock to my customer. How system is identified? Yes, if implemented supplier portal, if any ASN created by supplier, system will identify. If not implemented supplier portal, behalf of supplier, I will create ASN. System will identify. If selected what as AP invoice, once AP invoice created in payable, system will identify. Yes, already stock shipped from supplier organization to customer organization. Now we got awaiting billing. Next process is what I'll submit auto invoice, import auto invoice. System will generate invoice, receivable invoice in receivables. That I'll send it to my customer. Already payable invoice is created. Against that payable invoice, I'll make the payment to my supplier. So this is what dropship sales order. Any questions?
So can we apply price breaks for the item?
Yes, we can apply. That we'll see later. That is different topic. No? After completing these order types, we'll discuss slowly other topics. Any other questions? Okay, thank you.